Hello, good evening, this is Diecast Looney. I hope you're all doing well. In this evening's video we're going to be doing a quick wheel swap and detail on this 1972 Stingray convertible. So we'll crack this open I think and get on with the wheel swap, and then at the end of the video you want to stay tuned because I'm going to be announcing the winner of my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and there's quite a few comments to go through. I think I had nearly 80 or 90 comments. So anyway, we'll be sharing that at the end of the video, like I said, and doing the prize draw, so you don't want to miss that. But first of all, let's get on and take a look at this and get a wheel swap done. So it is a really cool casting. I love the blue color and I really do like this year of Corvette. The back's all painted in really nicely. Got a nice plate detail. But like I said, these wheels are okay, but I just think it'll look better with some deeper dish wheels. And I've got a set of deep dish in mind for this. So anyway, let's get it drilled apart. So just bear with me. And there it is, all drilled apart. So let's take a look at what we got. So pretty cool. I like the way the actual lights where they pop up is part of the casting, so it's not plastic, which is cool. But like I said, we're doing nothing to the body. I'm happy with the color and the body work, but we will be doing something with this I think. So I might give this a color. I don't know, I haven't decided whether to do this red, black or the same color as the car, but we'll get to that as we go along. So obviously these are the wheels that I'm going to change. So I have got some wheels in mind, but it's whether they're going to fit or not. So there's the base. So pretty cool. And there is the glass, and which is also part of the light, so we'll chuck a bit of detail on that as well. So anyway, let's get some wheels sorted and take another look. And there it is, all done, and I'm really quite happy with the way it's turned out. So in the end, I painted the interior blue, pretty much identical colours of the car, and painted the seats, picked the seats out in black, which I'll just get a bit of camera angles. There you go. So they've turned out quite nice. They've got a nice black gloss colour to them. And then the front, I did the headlights, I actually sprayed them silver rather than paint them. I sprayed them silver in the end, so that's better than the lights being the same colour as the glass. And then these are the wheels I put on, so it does look, I think, really quite cool. So it's turned out, what was a great casting is now an absolutely awesome casting. There's a base, so quite nice wide deep dish wheels. It's still a good roller. So there we go. My camera's not enjoying the. So anyway, that is the wheel swap part of the video. So now let's get on and get a winner picked out for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So just bear with me while I lift the camera up briefly, and we'll take a look quickly at what is up for grabs again. So was the Siku Corvette ZR1 Police, US Police, Peugeot 208 from Norev, this vintage Matchbox Mustang, and the fairly low numbered one of 1800 Johnny Lightning Chevy Nova. And it is a really cool piece. So anyway, what I will do now is I'll move these back aside again. I will get all the names laid out so everybody can have a look, and then we'll get on and get a winner picked. So just bear with me for 2 seconds. Right, there we go. There's all the names all laid out. There's about 44 altogether. And I've got a bit of shadow going on here. There we go. So there's a quick look at some of the people. And there was a few more. There was actually about 48 people that commented, but a couple of my YouTube friends wanted to be not in it, so that's fine. That is no problem at all. We go shadow again. I do apologise for this. I've got the lamp to one side of me. So there you go. So anyway, so what I'll do now is I'll get them all folded up and into my little bucket, and we'll get a winner picked out. So just bear with me 2 seconds. And I'm back. All the names have been folded up into this little silver ice bucket, as you can see. So without further ado, let's get a winner picked. Just like to say to you all, good luck and thank you again for all your support, and let's get a winner picked. So, bit of shaking to the side, bit of shaking up and down, give them a good stir. And that should do it. Let's pick out a name. And the name is Upside Down. And it is Coffees, Cars and More with Danny and Sam. So, Coffees, Cars and More. Oh, I know it is. It's Danny and Sam. You've won my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So, congratulations to Danny and Sam. Let's just pan the camera down a little bit. There we go. So we will show again what you have won. So, Danny and Sam, you are getting the Siku Corvette ZR1, the Johnny Lightning Chevy Nova, the Peugeot 208, and the Matchbox 99 Ford Mustang. But anyway, if I can get them to stand up. With that, I'd just like to say again, thank you very much to everybody for all your support, all your likes, all your comments, and just like to say thank you again. And with that, please like, share, subscribe, stay tuned for more unboxing videos, wheel swaps, and all that good stuff. And oh yeah, I almost forgot, I will leave my email address there. I'm getting ahead of myself. I will leave my email address there, so if Danny and Sam, or Danny, sorry, if you'd like to get in contact me at your leisure, I'll give you a week, my friend, and just drop me an email, and I will, and with your shipping details, and I'll get these sent out as quick as I can. But anyway, I will see you all again very soon. Thanks for watching.